Hello everyone, today I will be reviewing The Secret Life of Dubai Street Cats by Bashayer Arif. So, this is Sharpclaw, this is Twitch, and this is Black. And they are the best of friends. They live together and they live in Dubai, the Sandland. They are stray cats and they live in an area where they have plenty of food, plenty of shade, and lush greenery. But their lives change. One day, a home cat called Killtooth comes into their area and troubles all the stray cats there. Sharpclaw accidentally gets in a fight with Killtooth and she gets badly hurt. Will the trio be able to survive and find a new area, or will they not be able to escape Killtooth's sharp fangs? Dun dun dun. I really like this book, and what makes it so interesting is Bashayer Arif's writing. It is wonderful, and it's nice to know how cats think. In this book, the Bashayer Arif notes everything the cats think. First she goes to Sharpclaw's thinking, or she goes to Blacktail's thinking, or Twitch's thinking, and it is quite nice. This book took me around 40-45 minutes to read. It is short and it is simple, but it is wonderful. I really like it. Okay guys, bye bye. See you in my next book review. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you know when my latest videos come out. And if you like it, of course, click the like button. Bye bye.